All right, I'm gonna show you how to do automation clip with this plugin Halftime. A lot of people know how to do this. This is for my viewers and showing my process. So normally I would record this section with Halftime on it and then just take that sample and insert it in the song with the effect on it. But what I did now is I created an automation clip. So in FL Studio, what you do is you click this multi-link to controller button, and then you move the parameter or whatever button you want it to control. Then it links. It creates a physical link with this. Then you can go right click and then create automation clip. And then once you click that, it creates an automation clip like this. And then you could control it, which means I'm doing it to the mix knob. So when this line's all the way up, this is at 100%. When this line is down, it's at 0. So it will automate the mix of this effect. And this is Halftime. All Halftime does is it slows everything down by double or quadruple or 1.5. And then you could choose the loop variation of like how it repeats it. Half bar loop, full bar loop, quarter bar loop. And then this is the effect we're going for. So we want it to run Halftime for the intro and then to switch and just to the normal. So it's going to slow it down ×2, then go back to the normal right when it gets for the verse to start. And this is what it sounds like. Yeah, let's go. I'ma go hard, go home or go bold. Told a fucking man I'll snatch his body out of soul. Leave your ass cold like Russia go to war. Clear the whole game board, homie got a game plan. Intricate the way I move, it takes money to move. I done pay my dues, everything I do smooth. People around the corner see the way you move. Fake news, can't do the things I used to do anymore. Surveillance wiretaps, Rico acts like it's normal. Talking on the phone with a photo, get extorted. Fucking with these dirty hoes, they leave your child aborted. Everybody fiending OD, you can't ignore it. Find a chick with good pussy, oh I wanna hoard it. Bitch, I got that good dick, chick you can't afford it. Take my time, move slow, like a tortoise. I'm a Cancer, not a Taurus, bitch, I talk shit. Loyal to my day ones, proud of what we did. On a yacht, busting chicks on my E-line shit. Talking mad cash on my Kanye tip. Twitter's suspended, but I still find my niche. They have a hard time trying to categorize this. I done carved my own lane, not many can come and follow. I'm a real crystal like Monty Words Brillo. Pointing out you snakes, they come soft as pillows. Come around my way with aggression, meet my hollow. Born and bred in Southwest, sugar you can borrow. Ran all these streets from McGraw to Tarno. Bayside hoodie rag, get your hoodie cap. Fucking in the wrong hood, get your hoodie mag. You ain't A1, better boogie back. Rockin' with a real one, textbook, gangsta chronicles. Snipe your follicles, show me love when you see me. Streets from McGraw to Tarno. Bayside hoodie rag, get your hoodie cap. Fucking in the wrong hood, get your hoodie mag. You ain't A1, better boogie back. Rockin' with a real one, textbook, gangsta chronicles. Snipe your follicles, show me love when you see me. Love when you see me. Love when you see me. When you see me, we love when you see me, we love when you see me. We love when you see me. And that's the effect we're going for a section of this song, just to switch it up. And I'll probably tinker with this a little bit, but yeah, that's how you use automation inside FL Studio, automating the mix level in halftime, you know, mixing in from 0 of the effect to 100%. And you can do that with pretty much any plugin, any parameter, and you can link this to your controller, where you link it to where knobs and buttons control these features on most stuff. Not everything. Some stuff works, some stuff don't. But yeah, that's it. So it's your boy Scan signing out. Scantless.